In the last lecture we have seen functional blocks of computer. Now today's topic is 8086 microprocessor. 8086 microprocessor is launched by Intel in 1978. It is a 16-bit microprocessor and it is packaged in 40-pin DIP package. Okay, so first we will see features of 8086 microprocessor. So 8086 microprocessor was launched by Intel in 1978. As I told you, it is a 16-bit microprocessor because all the registers as well as data lines is of 16-bit. That is why the 8086 is a 16-bit microprocessor. The number of data lines in 8086 is 16 and the number of address lines are 20. So it can access the 1 MB memory location. Okay. Then it has a multiplex address and data lines. Multiplex means the same pin is used for the address as well as data. Same pin carries address as well as data. So that is called as the multiplex address and data lines. So there are 16 multiplex address and data lines, that is AD0 to AD15. Then the 1 MB memory is organized into two banks, even bank and odd bank. The 8086 uses the memory segmentation concept in which the memory is divided into different segments. Then it is a 40-pin IC and requires a plus 5 volt power supply. It is available in 3 versions, 5 MHz, 8 MHz and 10 MHz. 8086 is having a 6 byte of instruction queue which prefetch the instructions that is given to the execution unit. So 8086 is having a 6 byte of instruction queue. Then 8086 is a pipeline microprocessor. Means the output of the first unit is given to the input of the second unit. Like this, it is a pipeline microprocessor. It is designed in two modes, minimum modes and maximum mode. When the microcomputer system consists of only one processor, then 8086 is operating in minimum mode. If there are multiple processors in the system, then 8086 is operating in maximum mode. It can operate in single processor as well as multi-processor configuration. Then it supports multi-programming. It has a 14 register set. There are 14 register. Each register is of 16 bit. It has a powerful instruction set. It consists of 29,000 transistors. Okay, as the 8086 is a 16-bit microprocessor, but it can perform the operation on 8-bit as well as 16-bit. Okay, because the general purpose registers of this 8086 is divided into 8 bits also. It is divided into two independent functional units, that is BIU and EU, bus interface unit and execution unit, that we will see in the block diagram of the 8086. Then 8086 microprocessor has a major improvement on the 8085. Okay, and it can support up to 64K IO ports as 2 raised to 16. 16 is the data lines of the 8086, as 2 raised to 16 is 64K. Okay, so these are the features of 8086 microprocessor. In the last lecture we will see block diagram of the 8086, where the block diagram is divided into two functional blocks, that is BIU and EU, bus interface unit and execution unit. Okay.